Hey folks, Robert H here. Just wanted to share a funny trade I took on PTCT this morning. So PTCT is a lower float stock. It's not a low float stock. I think it's 45 million shares or something like that. Anyways, at the open, there was a huge $6 candle. Look at this thing. This is ridiculous. $6, and it had gapped up around, I think, almost 30%. I didn't want to touch that thing for an orb. Some people took it short on the 15-minute orb. I think Andrew and some others in the chat, and it was a good move down. Kind of came back up, did a wave, couldn't get to VWAP, and came right back down. That's just some pretty smooth price action here. Some people also caught this leg short too. I think Sahil did or somebody. That was a great trade. So I was watching it for a reversal, and when this doji came in, it wasn't really a doji. The volume wasn't there, even though it had kind of this double bottom here. It couldn't make a new 5-minute low. I wasn't comfortable taking it just because it's really choppy. It could move 20-30 cents. The spread is like 5-10 cents at some points. So what I did is I waited for this reversal follow through, and I see this happening quite a bit on stocks. When a stock reverses, it doesn't always do a V reversal like that. It'll do this and then kind of come up, and Kenneth calls this the boot thing or the booty thing, and it either decides to go back down or it'll continue, and if it makes a new 5-minute high, the reversal will live on, right? So that's what I saw here. This is kind of like, I don't know, I don't really call this an ABCD because it's below VWAP, but usually it's kind of like a breakout of some sort. So I went long here at 46 on the breakout here, as you can see my entry in the 1-minute chart, and I was really patient taking profit for some reason. I only took off a bit here at the 47.10 level here, and when we got towards VWAP, I took off some more. Anyway, some people in the chat were saying they wanted to short it here. I think JT, if you guys know JT in the chat, he caught the move up with me. Then when he got out, he wanted to flip his position and go the other way. And I think a couple other people in the chat were saying that too. And we had a little friendly bet. And I was like, you know what? How about this? You tell me when you're short VWAP, I'll add more, and then we'll see who wins, right? Because what I saw here is that unlike this move here, when it bounced off VWAP and came down, look at all these moving averages is messy and below these moving averages. Whereas this one, it's somewhat of a upward trend, right? And it's probably going to trap people who want to do the same move. And when people get trapped, the squeezes can be pretty incredible. So I think JT went in here. I'm not sure if he was able to take any profit on this dip here, but he got squeezed up here pretty bad. And anyone else who tried that same maneuver here, they would have got squeezed up like $2 this way too, right? So I was still in it, and I was just having a couple of laughs in the rooms, just like, you know what, let me know when you cover, and I'll give you some of my shares, or let me know when you cover your short, and I'll give you some of my shares. It's just a big laugh, little friendly wager. Anyways, that's the trade on PTCT. This was a pretty large move, almost $3 here, but I got caught in the squeeze on VRX this morning and wasn't able to hit my daily goal today. So not the best of days, maybe better luck tomorrow. So that's been the recap. All right, thanks for watching.